So today I want to do renewal or renovation on this table. So we are carrying out a piece of furniture renewal. You can see the surface, how it is. We want to renew it, we want to make it look better. Likewise, this tool here is one out, and then no paint, no polish. I want to do that right now. On inspection, I saw that the plywood is also opening here. So the first thing we are doing now is to fix that part by using white glue. So we have white glue here. So we have the white glue, which we are going to use to hold that part together. So we apply some pressure so that it can be firm. Then we clean up the excess glue. Right. So next is to carry out sanding. We need to carry out sanding of the top surface of the table and the stool. So we have a piece of sandpaper. Carry on sanding. So we use the smooth type. First, we apply the wood paint first, and later on we apply the polish. Here is the polish, the wood paint. Wood paint and lacquer. Apply it this way. First, this is the first round. See that it is drying fast. I want to apply it 2-3 times. So the two pieces of furniture are set under the sun to dry quickly. After 2 applications of paint with lacquer, now we are going to apply another one so that it's a very good layer on top of the surface. So now we want to apply the polish. And here is the completed tabletop. See the tabletop here. Over there is Stool. Well renovated now. Good furniture renovation. Do not forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I bring another interesting video like this, you'll be the first to know. See you in my next video. Bye bye.